Hi, my name's Luna, I'm 16 years old and I live in Ploulaire, a little village in Bretagne, France. As you can see, my house is quite different from my parents' one because it's actually really modern. It was built by my father less than 10 years ago, so it's really new. It's not the typical house here in Bretagne, it's absolutely not a traditional house, which means that if you come in Bretagne, you will not see this kind of house very often. It's quite unique.
Hello, I'm Luca and here we are in my neighborhood in Plestin-les-Grèves next to Lannion. As you can see, all the houses in the neighborhood look like a bit the same. It's because they were all built at the same time during the 60s. In Bretagne we have the chance that we live between the sea right there and the countryside. There is a field just here.
This is my village. It's a rural area. The traditional buildings are built in granite blocks with slate roofs. This is my house. It was designed by an architect 10 years ago. The challenge was to adapt a modern building in an old environment. This house combined a traditional look and modern elements, such as the big bow windows for sunlight and heat, and also environmental friendly aspects, hemp and lime isolation, and rainwater containers.
Okay, hello, I'm Arel and I live in Britain, in a little village, Trégastel, on the pink granite coast. I'm very lucky because my housing estate, which no houses are alike, is at 200 meters of the sea. My house was built in the 2000 and the construction is really typical of Britain but more modern. And now let me see you my house from the top.